morning, one and all. So, dear students, we already discussed about the electricity. So, electricity is the flow of electric current through charges. That is, we can be called as a electricity. So, we already studied about the heating effect of electric current. Like that, today we can discuss about the magnetic effect of electric current. So, that is we can be called as here in this chapter we can be study about the objectives. What is the meaning of magnetic field, field lines, drawing a, how can be the drawing a magnetic field lines, what are the properties of the magnetic field lines, magnetic field due to current carrying conductor, magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor, magnetic effect due to current through a circular loop, magnetic field due to current solenoid current. So all this we can be discussed these sessions. So before we can go to the magnetic effect of electric current, what is the meaning of magnet? You know that Earth is also attracted like a magnet due to the because of the gravitational force. Here, magnet means the materials which object produce the magnetic field. Okay, it means the materials or object which can be produce a magnetic field. The most distinguished feature of the magnet because of the magnetic field is the ability to create a force of attract or repel ferromagnetic materials or other magnet. It means the attractive force which can be the maybe the another magnet or it should be the ferromagnetic substances. Ferro means iron particles. So whatever related iron particles are there, that is you can be called as the ferromagnetic materials. A magnetic field surround a magnet and at a given point specified by the both direction and magnitude or strength. So magnetic field means the field which can be produce the attractive force. So that is we can be called as the what? Magnetic field. Suppose when we flowing the current through the particular field, so that is should be act like a sum of the magnetic field like that. Is it? So that is we can be called as a magnetic field. It means it surround a magnet and at a given point is specified by both direction and magnitude or should be strength. So next one is in this chapter we can be detailed study about the what is the meaning of magnetic field, field lines, drawing magnetic field lines. How can be the drawing the magnetic field lines? Properties. So what are the properties of the magnetic field lines? Magnetic field due to current carrying a conductor. And also what is the magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor? Magnetic effect due to the current through a circular loop. All this we can be discussed. Magnetic field due to current in a solenoid. So lastly, force on a current carrying a conductor in a magnetic force. So last concept is electric motor, electromagnetic induction, electric generator, domestic electric circuit. What are the domestic electric circuit? So electric fuse, we can be briefly explain the what is the meaning of electric fuse. So next one is magnetic field and field lines. What is the meaning of magnetic field or field lines? So it means what is the meaning of magnetic field? So look at the picture here. So we can be take down the bar magnet here. North, this is the we can be called as the north pole. Consider this is the south pole. The magnetic lines means which can be arise from the north to south. So see the picture here. From north to south, again it should be also north to south. All the field lines should be produced like this. Is it? So this type of the describe the space around the magnet in which the effect of the magnet can be felt. So whatever the field lines which are produced in the around the magnet, so that is we can be called as the what? Magnetic field. It is describe the space around the magnet in which the effect of the magnet can be felt. So this is the you can be called as a magnetic field. So those are the space around the magnet is there. That is we can be called as a what? Magnetic field. The magnetic field is a force created in a permanent magnet or should be a force that is able to pull the other magnet or other ferromagnetic materials. It means magnetic field means so not only produce only permanent magnet. So not only permanent magnet, if you can take down the ferromagnetic materials or you can be take down the pull the other magnet to other magnet or other ferromagnetic material such as maybe iron towards the magnet itself, it is the attract and push the magnet away from itself or repulse. So you know that one. So when we iron should be come near the magnet, what happens? It should be attracted, is it? So like that here also maybe this magnet also they can be repulsion or it should be attraction. So when the two poles are close together, that is north and south pole, so that is we can be called as the what? It should be attracted. It means not a like poles, it is unlike poles should be attracted to each other, like poles should be repulsion to each other. So come here, so south pole it should be come to that one, it should be repulsed to each other. It means like poles should be attracted each other, unlike poles should be do not attracted, they can be repulsed to each other. So what is a magnetic field lines? So what is a magnetic field lines? Suppose if you can be considered this is the north pole and also south pole of the magnet. The magnetic lines which can be produced from the north to go to what? South. North to south. Again north to south, north to south. The field line should be produced like this. Is it? The field line should be come to again from north to south. Again they can be go to what? North to south. Is it? The magnetic field lines, it means imaginary lines which are represent the magnetic field. So whatever these lines are there, these lines we can be called as the what? Imaginary lines. The imaginary lines which can be used to represent the magnetic field. This is we can be called as the what? Magnetic field. It means the imaginary lines which are represented to that one, that is we can be called as the magnetic field. These lines are represented by the path along which the isolated north pole will be moved. Almost whatever magnetic field lines are which are produced, that should be moved from the north to south. Look at the picture. So all these should be moved from north to south pole. So here, let us consider a piece of bar magnet. We can be taken on the bar magnet here, north and south pole of the magnet. So it can be placed in a magnet with a sheet of white paper. We can be taken on the what? One sheet of paper which is fixed on the drawing board. Suppose it can be taken on the one drawing board. Then we have to the one sheet of paper. Then it can be put on the this bar magnet. Now sprinkle the some iron fillings. So here some iron fillings can be sprinkled. What happens? Uniformly around it and tap the board gently. So then what happens? All the whatever these materials or iron fillings are there, they can be attracted to this bar magnet. So look at the next picture here. What do you observe that activity? So see here. So the iron fillings arrange themselves in a pattern. So it should be like some pattern. Is it? It is a bar magnet. The whatever the magnetic materials are there. So that magnet should be exerted influence the surrounding around to that one. So it should be like after that one you can be observed this type of the pattern. This is we can be called as the magnetic field lines. The lines which are produced in the around the magnet, that is we can be called as the magnetic lines. Therefore the iron fillings experience a force. The force thus exerted makes the iron fillings to arrange in a pattern. So why this is means? Because the iron should be attracted to bar magnet, it should be look like this pattern. Because of this iron fillings should be attracted to like this. So it means the region surrounding a magnet in which force of the magnet can be detected, it is said to be magnetic field. So what is the meaning of magnetic field means? The magnet, so how the arrangement of the field lines, the magnetic field lines which can be arranged in the around the bar magnet, so that is we can be said to be what? Magnetic field. The lines along which the iron fillings align themselves represent the magnetic field lines. Whatever the arrangement of this type of the lines are there, so that lines we can be called as the what? That is we can be called as the magnetic field lines. So how can be the drawing in the magnetic field lines? So drawing the magnetic field lines with the help of the compass needle. We can be need to the compass needle. So this we can be called as the compass needle. So see here, consider a small compass at a bar magnet. Place the magnet on a sheet of white paper fixed on the drawing board. So first we can be taken on the small compass and a bar magnet. So this is a bar magnet, and also this is the indicator of the compass. So place the magnet on a sheet of paper fixed on the drawing board. Mark the border of the magnet. So border of the magnet means it should be, what is the size of the magnet is there, that should be, can be drawn to that one. Place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. So then second step what happen, we can be put the compass in the north side of the north pole of the magnet. So then what happen? So see the compass needle here. The south pole of the needle point towards the north pole of the magnet. So this whatever needle is there, that needle should be shown to the around the north. It means whatever you can be take down that on the compass, the south pole of the needle point towards the north pole of the magnet. This is the north and south. This south pole towards the north. The north pole of the compass is directed away from the north pole of the magnet. Mark the position of the two ends of the needles. So this is the two position of the needles. You can turn the gun. So mark the position of the two ends of the needle. Now move the needle. View the position where the south pole occupies the position previously occupied by the north pole. So when we come to this one, so this compass should be come to the south pole. Then what happen? The magnetic needle should be also change their direction. So like that, mark the position of the two end of the needles. So this one needle and also this one needle. So maybe this needle should be shown to the north pole, means this needle should be shown to the south pole. Join the points. So if you take down the compass one by one, then you can put the dot like this. Okay. So this is, you can be called as what, magnetic field lines. So marked on the paper on the smooth curve, this curve represents the field lines. So whatever these lines or dotted lines are there, so that is, you can be called as the what, magnetic field lines. So they follow the pattern of the lines represented by the magnetic field around them. So this is the brief explanation of the magnetic field around a magnet. So next class we can be discuss about the what are the magnetic field lines, how can be the produced to that one. So thank you and all.